Hello guys, maglaro tayo ng Supermarket Simulator. Supermarket, and ibang sound ko. Supermarket Simulator. Yeah, kasi lagi kasi ganang sound ko. Okay, magko-complain tayo. Tignan mo. Yung cashier kong parang in-upgrade ko. Nandito yung cashier ko para mabilis. Anyways, magpili tayo. Apple juice, orange juice, 2 eggs, and mozzarella. Okay, alam ko. Apple juice, orange juice. I'm on vacation. And mozzarella. Yep. Let's go. It's 5. Oh, that's go. There is. For the update. Saan update pa ganon? I think. I don't know. Tignan mo yung store ko is looking good. Parang Walmart. Yep, parang Walmart. Nalaman ko. Itong fridge na to. Fridge decoration at pwede kong igalaw. Okay guys, di ko nalaman. Pwede kong palang igalaw. Yeah. Let him cook. Para di magulo guys because kanina dami nakasikip dyan. Krima. Okay, Melia. Espelondros. Yung trend. Yeah, let's go. I think like that. Yeah. In update ng store ko guys. And this is looking good. And looks like it's so good. Hey, look at my cheese. Okay, put me in there. Yep, thank you. Pwede na maglagay. Yeah, thank you. Pwede ako maglagay. Yeah, pwede na ako maglagay. Wait lang. Oh my god, ito ang pinakamaganda. Hindi kasya dito kasi mabigat na space. Hindi kasya. Pwede naman Anyways, bibili akong fridge dito pero di kasya ditong pwede kong ilagay dito ang fridge section like that. And it's a perfect plan, guys. I think this is good one. Think so? Oh, that's good. Thank you. Salamat Okay. Pansira pasta, 2 pansira pasta. Hindi ko lang. 2 pansira pasta. Olive oil, flour, and pansira pasta, oil, flour, and water. 2 water. To. And water. Yep, read mine. Yep. Guys, tingnan mo yung cashier ko. Baka weird. Na freezer section and wow! Pwede lalagay dito, empty. Yep, ilalagay dito kasi. Maganda ba? Comment na below. Yeah, maganda ba? And maganda. Pwede sila dumaan. Yeah, pero pag may bagong tayong chicken legs, yeah. 2 sandwich kegs, mashed potato at 5 spread. Oh my god. What is again? Oh, the alam. Two sandwich kegs. And what is it again? Okay, mashed potato at mashed potato at. Yeah, ang dami naman bread. Ito 5 bread. Hasta ko sa kulinestra na entra. Oh, marunong nga mag-speak. Yeah. Spaghetti. Spaghetti, oil, milk 6-pack, 2 oil, milk 6-pack, and olive oil, 2 spaghetti, and that's it. Alam ka na. Milk 6-pack, next 2 oil, olive oil, okay, 2 spaghetti, and that's it. Yeah, kasi that's it kasi. Ito din eh. Hindi ko na kailangang flour kasi meron lang yung daming flour. 2 parmesan, 2 parmesan cheese, beer lager, and sushi large, and scarlet blue water. Scarlet blue sushi large. Water, parmesan cheese. That's it. Hindi nga alam ko, nakalimutan ko. Beer. Yeah. Guys, tignan mo sa labas. Dami nagnoo. At least walang bumili. Sino hindi bumili ng ano? Ano yung hindi bumili? Expensive daw ito eh. Hindi naman kaanong expensive. In-upgrade na po. I think meron akong isip. Pwede kong oh my god, ito perfect plan to. Ito guys, tapos nataato ako. Hindi, kailangan ko ng baka. Hindi ko na kailangan ng baka. Ang dami kong baka eh. Yeah, hindi ko na kailangan. Okay, tapos na ba? I think tapos na. Let's see. Ito ay itong bagong update to eh. Update. Oh, may $10. Lahat bumili ito eh. Ay, hindi. Sinong hindi bumili? 8, 9, 14, 6. Hindi ka-expensive yan ah. Walang bumili dyan. I think that's it. And, oh my god. And I so dumb. Ang daming product. Yeah, ang daming nang bili ng product pa. Meron palang milk. I didn't know. Okay. Di na kailangan. Para coronas eco. Meron trascenda la cuela más melandra. En los cilindros que venda. Curos cara me venda soloro. En el coro contra las piramidas que me la barota. Okay. Sun each. Where's the sun each? Oh, this is that each. Leopard oil. Oh, mali! Is this? That's my bones. Buto ko yan ah. Crack. Kinakrak ko lang ako. Crack my bone. That's good. Okay, bakit ka nag-chill? I'm gonna fire you if you chill. Pag nag-chilling ka, ban kita. I fired. Discuras en palo. Palo na siya palo. Palo na siya palo. Palo. Walang, hindi. Okay to. Akala ko eggs. Where's my eggs? Tandandaro. Okay, is oil to. Is it disappeared? Okay. I think now guys, this is gonna be a cool guess game. So, yeah. Huko chut natin cookie sama. Kuturu cookie sama. Oh my god, nagulat ako. Pusa lang yun. Yes. Oh my god, ang paka-perfect. Lines. Paka-perfect lines, oh. I'm a vacation. Walang nagagamit. Parmesan ay nawala. What? Oh my god. Okay. Dami naman bread. Sino kailangan ng bread? 3. Yep. She's making a way to around the sea. Mary Laptan, little land. Pag madami nang nandito, pangit ka naman. Plus yung itlog. Ito yung itlog eh. Itlog ay nawala. Itlog nasira. Ito yun. Leopard oil cheese. Ito pala. Oh! Freezer! Oh, buti na lang sila bumili. Hindi nag-recipes. Yung recipes, ang daming bumili. Private sila. Hindi na sila nakita ng pizza. Oh, $200! Do time broke. So, I think, close open. Yeah, open na kami. It's around here. Attention, meron kaming product is chassis piece. Di ko alam yung chassis piece. Bumili na kayo. The chassis piece is out now. That's good. Evin, the customer? Bro. Broke na ako pa yun. Paano ako kunin ko ng box. Alam ko paano ma-stop. Kailangan itignan dyan. Okay, stop. Run. Nami nagpupunta dito. Intention, punta ka dito. Oh my God! At least walang even the update of the Splendor Kajun. Okay, spotlight. We don't need the spotlight. Pag level 39 na ako. Anong nangyari pag 39 na ako? Tignan mo. $50. Level 50 level 50. Tapos yung complete na checkout 1,750. Yes, complete na agad. Mama niya, sister niya ano to? Kay Luz or sister ni Luis. You have a cute sister. Oh no, cousin. Oh yeah, cousin siya. Cousin. Oh my God. Thank you. Okay, 82.63. And guys, in-mute ko kasi di nyo narinig kasi hindi nakalaman. The like button. Sana madami gusto nyo another pa. What? What? Ano yun? Flower? Flower na. Okay, visual great. No. Okay, bawal pumuntang how much? It's 81. Oh, that's good. Okay, one, done. Stand here forever. Yes, stand here forever. Okay, it's 52 and this. Oh my God. Itong pinaka madaming bumili. Daming ngayon eh. 108. How much? 114. Even the prices. I don't know kay Luz. Bakit walang pumunta sa iyo, kay Luz? Oh my God, kay Luz. And sorry, Country X, you are the greatest person in your life today. Oh my God, that's a huge order. Oh my God. Oh my God, the freaking cake. Ba't ka pumunta dito, ma'am? Ma'am. Ba't ka pumunta dito? Bawal pumunta dito sa cashier kanito. Kasi meron ako 3.82. That's good. Okay. Kailangan ko ng... Oh my God. Ilan potato binili mo? Oh my God. $100. Wow. Tignan ko. Oh my God. Ang dami magbili. Ito expensive ay masuka. Hindi mo alam yung masuka. Ang lamig dito, guys. May 80%. Okay. 20, 30, 8. Oh my God! 97. Since today, di ka pumunta dito. Since today. And dito. Oh my! Dami mong in-upload. Ay, in-upload. Bili! Oh, you not that. Oh, $20. $20 yan. Income to myself. $20. Thank you. What? Anong pinag sex? Oh my God, 91. Even the aircon is here. Every touch it. Parang naglag up. Ikot-ikot ko. Para di malag. Ayun. Parang ang dami kong ata customer kaya ka naglalag. Pepper thank you very much. Wait lang. Giving kiss. Hindi siya punta sa stars. Yeah. Wait lang. Ano yung sa likod? Next, tomato ang sa likod. Labels, okay. Yung mayonnaise, di ka pumili, diba? Pag sino nag-complain dito, ha? Walang nag-complain, wow. Wait. Okay, that's good, I think. Oh my God, ang dami ang bilhin ng Scarlet Drift! Ang $3 lang yung Scarlet Drift. Oh my God, sana ang daming binili Scarlet. Oh my God. Freaking $100! Thank you very much. Thank you for providing some credit card. Well, hey, no way. There's no way. Go, 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 go. Hot sauce, hot sauce, hot sauce, hot sauce. Good. Wait a minute. Oh my. I think I'm lag ako kasi ang dami nasa customer ko. Sana titigilan ng customer ko. Patigilan yung customer ko. Ban na sila. Ban. Nalalagda ako. What? Oh my God. Ito ang pinaka-huge order. So, ibigit na akong mambox. I think baya may update ata. First na, saan ko nilagay? Oh, there you go. Failed test. Punta natin kung saan ko nilagay. Okay, tigpil. Ah! Oh my God, bakit walang pumunta sa akin? Parang walang nagusto sa akin, kaya biyan ko ata sila. Di naman ako bad. Ikaw ay bad. Oh, bad. $10 ano on. Ilan bili ng crossbase? Ang dami. Excuse me, ma'am. Pwede mo itakip? Masuka. Ang dami mo bili ng suka. Isang binili ng masuka mo at sugar. That's your childhood. That's your childhood. Thank you very much, your other customer. And guys, thank you very. I think she was on the store. Thank you very much, guys. Guys, and this is the end. 47. Day 98. Oh my God. So priceless. Oh my God. Di ako nagbayad ng bills. Tiffany's cake. Scarlet Rose. Team Grip. Purple 92. Aling up. 74 and hot tea green. Running down? I don't know, guys. And maya ng ang next Super Mario Simulator pag sino nag-like checkpoint. Gusto ko another part. And bye-bye. Ay, nakalimutan mag-like and subscribe. And bye-bye.